Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, November 18th. Our key points: that unsettled pattern is going to continue this week, but it's going to be of very little impact. So we'll see slight chances for showery precipitation each day, with the best chances on Wednesday, but still just favoring the higher terrain. Outside of that, daytime temperatures will continue to run 5 to 10 degrees above normal throughout the week, with cooler temperatures expected by next weekend. Our outlook for the next several days: so just slight chances for rain and snow showers in our eastern highlands and Sawtooth region. For Wednesday, like I said, that's going to be our day with the greatest chances for any accumulations at all. But even still, slight chances for much of the area, with our best chances in the eastern mountains and again in the central mountains, but predominantly southeast highlands and eastern highlands. Even with that said, though, accumulations are going to be very light and precipitation will be very showery. For Thursday through the rest of the week, just slight chances, very low confidence, as models continue to sort out the tracks of these various lows that will be shifting through. But still the chance for a shower or two. Current satellite: we're monitoring variations in the different cloud heights out there. As you can see in blue, there is some lower stratus floating around, and with the very moist lower atmosphere, we are continuing to watch for any fog development. So you could see some patchy fog this morning, just keep that in mind. Chance of precipitation today: while not zero, just very slight chances for the Sawtooth region and over the Montana Divide region, our borders with Montana and Wyoming, favored for the Island Park area. But generally will be pretty quiet, mild, not too much going on today. High temperatures for today: about 10 degrees above normal, so widespread 50s for a lot of our valleys. And wind gusts this afternoon: like I said, most areas will see pretty pleasant conditions. Winds generally under 10 miles per hour, pretty light and variable. And chance of precipitation tonight: I just wanted to include this just to show that short wave starting to come in, bringing some more moisture heading into the nighttime hours into Wednesday. So those chances do start to increase for our mountainous areas. And low temperature forecast for tonight: running about 10 or more degrees above normal. So maybe a little bit cooler than the previous night, but still very mild for our overnight temps. And high temperature forecast tomorrow, very similar yet again, about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Wind gusts for tomorrow afternoon, again, light and variable winds, so in that way, it'll be very pleasant. Chance of precipitation tomorrow: so as that short wave moves through, this will be our best chances for the week. But again, chances are favoring the eastern mountains. So this really will be a high terrain event. Snow levels will be very high, and even for rain, we're not expecting much accumulation with this at all. And tomorrow night, as you can see, it's already going to be mostly cleared out by the evening hours. This starts at 5 p.m. going into Thursday morning. So that'll clear out pretty quickly tomorrow afternoon. And temperature forecast for tomorrow night: a few degrees cooler as we start heading into later week, but still many places staying right at or above freezing for overnight temps. And high temperatures for Wednesday staying fairly stable. So again, low to mid 50s for a lot of our valleys. All right, so just to summarize, that unsettled pattern will stick around this week, but many of us will see little to no impacts. We will have slight chances for showery precipitation persisting, but those best chances will be on Wednesday with that short wave shifting through. It's just going to favor the higher terrain, though. Like I said, liquid accumulation, even with rain, is going to be very light, and snow levels very high. Daytime temperatures will continue to run 5 to 10 degrees above normal through late week, but we are seeing cooler temperatures coming in by next weekend. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any comments or questions, you can always reach out to us. Hope you have a wonderful day.